When I was starting the company, I mentioned this PhD research. I first thought, well, great, we're better than dermatologists. Let's go cure cancer. Let's be the diagnosticians. And we got enough feedback early on, who's going to sue you, how are you going to get reimbursed, et cetera. And that's when we stumbled into this data labeling for companies developing AI market. So to develop artificial intelligence, you need large data sets of accurately annotated data. The way I explain this to novices often is I bring up reCAPTCHA when you have to point at crosswalks and trees and cars to prove you're not a robot. So the reason it's always auto related or street related is Google is using you to help train self-driving cars. Because the way the cars learn is they need millions and millions of images of these are crosswalks and these are not. And then that's how the AI learns. So in the medical domain, it's the same thing. If you want to make an algorithm that can do something like spot polyps in a GI video, you need a lot of videos where each frame or a lot of the frames have been annotated such that all the polyps have been pointed out. And this isn't, 10 patients worth. This is hundreds or thousands of videos. The more the better. So you could imagine hiring GI docs to do this work is extremely expensive and tedious. And it's the same across domains where we work, EEG data, robotic surgery videos, chest x-rays, dermatology, you name it. And as a result, it's one of the main bottlenecks in developing artificial intelligence in the medical domain right now is how do you accurately annotate these large data sets? So that's what we're focused on is helping companies annotate large data sets. And the way we do it is we have a large network of tens of thousands of medical students, doctors, and other professionals around the world who are actually playing a gamified competitive app where they're annotating data to, in the end, help these medical AI companies develop new technologies.